If you see the Ashtanga path of yoga, to reach pure awareness, which is samadhi, where you understand yourself as pure awareness and nothing else, where you're not separate from anything apart from pure awareness, the path shown is through these 8 rungs in the yoga tradition, out of which the first 2 rungs are qualities, yamas and niyamas. After you embody these qualities, you cultivate these qualities, then you move to asana. We call yoga only asana. But yoga is not only asana, it is first yama niyama, then making your body easy so that your body doesn't give you pain and trouble, then pranayama, making your breath comfortable so that your breath doesn't interfere, then more meditation, deeper meditative awareness, then centeredness that comes up as a result, which is dhyana, and then finally samadhi arises. From these practices, samadhi arises. So the first 2 practices are yama niyama, which are qualities. So Patanjali explained yama is the 5 restraints, 5 things not to do, and niyama is 5 things to do. And these are the first 2 rungs of the ladder. So the reason why qualities is such an integral part of our work is because you see, even the yoga tradition is saying first cultivate qualities. Qualities of restraint and qualities that you need to adopt. Now, what are these 5 qualities? So these are non-violence, truth. Okay, so basically restraint from violence, from falsehood, from stealing, indulgence of sensual pleasure, too much sensual pleasure indulgence, which means just giving into whatever you want. And finally, restraint from possessiveness, mine, me, mine. And what to bring to the table, what to cultivate, cleanliness, contentment, regular spiritual practice, self-study, self-knowledge, and surrender. So this is Patanjali's template of the first 2 steps, the yamas and the niyamas. He says start here. Now, very similarly, very similar to Patanjali, the Buddha also says start here. For him, the 8-fold path is, see, these are the 8-fold path. Okay, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, right concentration, and right view, right resolve. Now, these 8 are divided into 3 big brackets. The first 3 are Shilas or qualities. The first 3. That's the first rung. First, develop some qualities. Second, develop meditation and concentration. Third, develop insight and correct way of thinking and correct view.